Welcome back, everyone. So how you guys doing today? So we are making this fine crepe material with a top. So please stay tuned, subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, and also share it for others to see. So let's get started now. Go ahead now to spread my fabric. So I've cut it out. So just for me to spread it so that we get started with our measurement. And before then, we'll take our length. So I'm going to take my length, starting from the upper side like this, and place my tape to get the length. My length that I'm having here is 18 inches. And then for the neck, my neckline is 4 inches. And to bring down the neckline is round neckline. So I'm going to take it up to 4 inches also, and curve it like this. That is for the front, is the front piece that we are making first. And then I will also go ahead now to measure my shoulder. My shoulder is 16 inches. That is 8 inches when divided by 2. So that is my 16 inches. And then I will also use my ruler to roll it down like this. So that is it. So after that, now I will also go ahead now to measure from the upper side, that is the shoulder, to mark my chest line. My chest line is 8 inches. And after marking it, I will also use the ruler to roll it down. So on that my chest line area, that is where I will place my tape to get my bust measurement. And my bust is 38 inches. That is 9.5 inches, adding my stitching allowance by 1 inch. And then coming down, the down part is my waist. So my waist is 36 inches. Why making it like this? Because we want it to be free a bit. So that is that 36 inches. And then adding my stitching allowance by 1.5 inches. And then, so my chest line again, will come back to it and mark 2 inches, placing 2 inches like this to mark and curve my armhole. So I'm using my armhole ruler curve to curve it like this. So that is it now. And also to slope my shoulder slope is by ½ inch. And then also slope it with my ruler like this. So this is how to make this kind of a top. It's a top that we are making with this fabric, and it's a crepe material that we are using to achieve this. And also then, to mark my back neckline, I will place my tape to mark 2 inches. I want it to be down a bit, and then curve it like this. So that is it now. So curve it now. That's for the neck. So we have done with the measurements. Just for us now to connect the marks together. So starting from my bust, I'll connect it like this. So that is it now. And then I'll go ahead now to cut. So please, if you don't understand what we just did here, I implore you to watch this video again so that you will know everything that we just did here, and you can cut it for yourself. So I'm cutting now, and please don't forget to subscribe and watch this video down to the end, and also share it for others to see so that they too can see and watch and also learn and cut by themselves. So this is it now. So I've cut it out now. That is for the front piece. So what I will do now, we just use this back front piece to place on the back, and also to cut it out. So let me do that now. Piece now. This is what I did here. So using the front to lay on the back, and then just cut it out. So I'm going to do that now. So I'm just using the front to cut it. So this is why we cut our back neck line first. So I'm using it now to cut the back now before cutting the front. So you also see why I did that. I will cut it out for you to see. So after doing all of this, I will take it to the machine and to go and stitch, that is joining my shoulder first. And before then, we'll also show you how to join it, like to mark the body parts. Now we've done the front part now, so I'm going to show you how to mark the body part if you are joining your clothes. So I'm cutting the front now. You can see the way I'm raising it up so that the scissors cannot penetrate on the body. So I've cut the neck of the front. So I will take it to the machine to go and stitch. So let's do that now. To join the body part now, that is what I want to show you how to join now. So we are going to take our measurement and divide it into 2, not into 4 again. That is why I told you that I will show you how to join the body part. So our bust is 38. So this is our 38. What remains here is 2. So that means it's 1 inch that will mark at this area, and coming to this side of it also mark 1 inch like this. So to the waist, our waist is 36. So this is our 36, and what remains there is 1, 2, 3. That means it's still that 1.5 inches that we added earlier that we also have. So mark 1.5 inches. So coming to this area also 1.5 inches. So we are going to go and join the body part there. Before then, we join the shoulder and now join the body part, and then our fine top will be ready. So let me take it to the machine and go and stitch the shoulder and join the body part now. I'm going to join the top now, as you can see. So the top is ready to wear out now. So this is how we come to the conclusion of this our top for today. So I hope you understand every detail that we just did here. And if you don't understand, please watch this video again. And also share it for others to see so that they too can learn and watch. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share it, like it, and also comment. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.